Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Rusty Toolbox. It's cause for celebration, 500 subscribers. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, comment below on this video, and you'll be entered to win an amazing prize pack. Details in the comments below. As for this episode, we got a new project car. It is 2012 Infiniti G37x. Let's get going. So here it is, the G37. Just dropped off. I got this car to fix it up. As you can see, the front bumper, well, the front bumper's detached. I just put it there. The front had some kind of front impact, but the bumper is, so the bumper is probably toast. Well, it is toast, so we get a new bumper. But what's nice is the grill, the top grill and the bottom grill are both intact, and those are actually kind of expensive pieces, so don't have to do anything with that. The lights are still good. I just placed them back in here, plugged them in. They are in good shape. We do need new liners on the inside, on both sides there. And that is basically it in terms of cosmetic damage. The interior is in pretty great shape. It needs a good clean. As you can see, there's just, a tiny bit of cracking here in the bit of cracking in the seat, and it just needs, a good deep clean. Might end up getting a new, just a new cover, a new lid for the cup holder. Everything else is good, just needs, like I said, it just needs to be cleaned up. Do need a new airbag. Horn works. And got to figure out how to disengage the safety locks on the seat belts. But yeah, the interior is very nice. It's this nice beige leather, which is good. Rear seat belts are good. As you can see, no rips or tears. Some slight cracking. And like I said, just needs a good cleanup. Rear of the car is in good shape, as you can see. So, yeah, not a whole lot. I was actually worried when I pulled up and saw the car that it would need new headlights and everything, but they were in the back seat, so it's great. Very excited to get working on this one. This is a sweet car. If you don't know about the Infiniti G37s now, I think they're the Q50 now or whatever, but very nice cars, rear-wheel drive. The 2012, I believe, is producing about, I want to say about 300 horsepower. It's a solid motor, and very comfortable ride. It's got the memory seats and all that good stuff. As you can see, got it with about, so you're gonna show me, there it is. So got it with 90,000 miles on it, and yeah, just needs to be cleaned up. Fix the front there. Look at that. Even came with a couple quarters there. We're already making money, and starts right up. So yeah, unfortunately they didn't give me a full tank of gas. Well, they never do. But yeah, everything is pretty much spick and span. As you can see, sounds good. Sounds really good. So we'll do some general maintenance on it, and start ordering up some parts and things. And this thing is going to be sweet. Okay, here you go with the hood up. You can see the V6 there, the engine cover on, everything looks good. There is a little bit of cracking in some of the plastic here, which is, I mean, it's just due to the impact coming in here, cracking there. And then the other bit of damage was down here. So it looked like it probably got hit in the front right. So I'm also going to need a new washer fluid reservoir. You can see it's cracked there, on the bottom. The core support is cracked. You can see the crack there. It's still working, but I'm probably going to just repair this bit here. Everything's still intact, like in terms of the mechanical is still intact. So I'll be pulling this off, and then straightening some of these plastics out, and replacing that stuff. But other than that, this is really good shape. So we'll be obviously. It's nice because they still have the foam impact piece, so that'll get reattached right here. You can see where one side of it attached right there. I'll get a new bumper. This one's all cracked up and messed, but the grills are still in good condition, and still got the fog lights, which my last project didn't, which is nice. And then yeah, we'll just change the oil, flush the coolant, and do some basic maintenance. Swap out the filters and stuff, but it's awesome. All right, that's out. Driver's side seatbelt assembly. Now, from everything I've read, you basically have to get a brand new assembly because there's a little airbag in here. It's called the pre-tensioner. And when you're in a crash, it basically explodes so that you are strapped nice and tight to the seat. And so, unfortunately, we're gonna have to get another one of those. Ordered a new airbag, so that'll be on its way. Now let's go take out the passenger seat belt. All right, we are off to the store, fabric store. Gotta go get some vinyl or some leatherette so that the cover for the cup holders, I was able to remove like the lid piece, and took the vinyl off that was ripped at the edge and fraying at the edge. And so I figured, instead of buying a whole new lid, let's just replace the vinyl. So we're off to the fabric store, try to find some matching vinyl or leatherette or whatever. And then we gotta stop by the hardware store and get some security Torx bits to take out the airbag, the old airbag. So we've got the seat belts off, the airbag's almost out, just gotta get a little Torx bit, and then we're gonna see if we can recover that little piece of trim. We're making progress. That's pretty close. Nice. Getting out of Joann's. $7 for some remnant vinyl. Heck yeah. We got plenty. And some extra in case I mess up. Alrighty, there's the airbag. There's where it used to be. These are, so it's held in here and on the other side here by T30 security Torx bits. This one came out okay. I didn't strip it, thankfully. This one I did. It got stripped. So I had to drill out the bit, but we got it out. All good. So now it's just waiting for the new airbag to come in. Ta-da! You know, it's not perfect, but it's not bad. More tears, all one color. The color is pretty close. It's hard to tell with that sunlight right there, but there we go. It's pretty close, especially now that it's dirty from my hands. I'm gonna take some Goo Gone and wipe it down. But hey, that's a win. Not bad at all. It works. Nice. Alrighty. Alright, got a bunch done on the Infiniti today. Obviously got it delivered, which is great. Got everything ordered. Fixed that little piece of trim in the center console. Got the seat belts out. Tomorrow I'm going to call the dealership or maybe take them in, see what I need to do to get those replaced, and if there's any other sensors or anything that I need to get replaced as well. Got some stuff coming for the truck. I'm going to be working on the transmission on the truck. And yeah, lots of projects going on. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Like I said, for 500 subscribers, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and we're giving out a prize pack. And I really appreciate all the support. I'd love to grow the channel to 1,000 subscribers and beyond, be able to do some really fun stuff. In the meantime, thanks for joining in, and we'll see you next time.